My name is Tinne, I'm head of design of Victoria Designs. And we have another crafting kit for you, the old school detective crafting printables kit. Francesca from the YouTube channel Junk Journal Joy has made an amazing lapbook that holds a large junk journal and a lot more. In this video, Francesca is going to show you her detective's lapbook and some of the printables of our old school detective crafting printables kit. The tutorial of the large journal will be available in a separate video. Viewers that purchase our old school detective crafting printables kit will get exclusive access to the rest of the tutorial, and there you will learn how to make the lapbook with all its bits and bobs. This large kit with 160 sheets can also be used to make the folio I made with the Dragon Destiny kit. Francesca is a master in creating fabulous journals and lots of paper crafts with recycled items. If you like to make upcycled and beautiful grungy journals, take a look at her channel and subscribe. If beautiful, shabby and grungy is your thing, Francesca is your guide.